But drawing more perspective as to what has happened so far in this particular case, remember that after the Enforcement Directorate case, the Supreme Court has now granted bail in the CBI case. Very important to note here that two central agencies were looking into this particular case, and now we're talking about the CBI case. Harish Nair, my colleague, joins me for more. Harish, big development. Take us to the key takeaways.
Remember, Swati, as we had reported earlier, there were two judgments, but there were concurring judgments. The two judges have only differed on the reasoning of the arrest, but both have held that Arvind Kejriwal deserves to get bail in this case. But both have also said that the arrest is there is no procedural violation as far as the arrest is concerned. But Ujjal Bhuyan has something to say, some advice to the CBI. Justice Ujjal Bhuyan said that CBI is a premier investigating agency. Every effort must be made to make investigation fair. Not so long ago, this court had castigized CBI by calling it a cage parrot. CBI must ensure that the perception of it being a cage parrot is discarded. And coming to the certain conditions, Swati, we should tell our viewers that the conditions imposed by the Supreme Court in the ED case, while giving Arvind Kejriwal interim bail in the ED case, that will continue. That is very important, Swati. The Supreme Court, which means that Arvind Kejriwal can't visit office of Chief Minister, can't visit Delhi Secretariat, shall not sign official files, cannot make comments on the case, will not interact with witnesses or have access to files related to the case. So, Swati, the big takeaway is that after remaining in jail for 5.5 months, the Delhi Chief Minister is out on bail. He will get bail. Several factors were considered, like in the case of Sanjay Singh, Manish Sisodia and K. Kavita. The Supreme Court has said that prolonged pre-trial incarceration cannot be countenanced. There are issues of personal liberty of an accused, and also when it is sure that when it is very apparent that trial will not commence anytime soon or trial will not complete anytime soon, and if an accused is not interfere.
All right, my colleague Harish Nair getting us the key takeaways as this is concerned. Remember, he was taking us through all the observations made by the Supreme Court. Let me just run our viewers through that. But before that, Harish gets us more details. Listen in.
Procedure, Swati, he has to furnish bail bonds, rupees 10 lakh bail bonds, and also appear before the trial court, and trial court will decide whether further conditions have to be imposed on Kejriwal. So forthwith means it is most likelihood Arvind Kejriwal might come out as early as today late evening, Swati.